Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here, mortgage advisor from Bosanoff Mortgages. Mortgages Made Easy, coming to you live with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. Showing you the rates. Here they are guys, look at that. Slowly coming down, lots of fours here. So let's go through them. These are the fixed rates. Now I'm sharing with you today the best rates you can get from the four big main banks, and of course you've got to have that 20% equity to get these rates. So the 6 month rate, the best you can get is 5.29 for 6 months, 1 year 4.89, 18 months 4.85, 2 years 4.95, and we've now got two of the big banks offering 4.95 for 3 years. So we'll see this time next week if any of the other banks are matching that. So they're slowly coming down with fours there. I'm not bothering sharing the 4 and 5 year rates because they're still too high. We're still waiting now to see what's going to happen. There's a lot of commentary now saying that there might not be an OCR cut in July. But like I shared with you last week when I did the update after the OCR announcement, that there's only, looks like one more cut planned for this year, maybe two. And then if they happen this year, none for next year. If they don't happen this year, then two for next year. So we are now getting pretty much at the bottom of the rate cycle. And this is why it's exciting to see some of those 2 and 3 year rates with a 4 in front of them. So people can set their mortgages for a little bit longer now and get out of the 6 month or 1 year cycle, or even floating. We've had people go on floating as well. So get out of that cycle, fix them, have some certainty with their budgets, and get on with their life. And it's been really good news. We've seen a lot of people come off rates of 6.85. That's what the rates were like a year ago. So to be able to refix for a year now at 4.89 or 2 years at 4.92 is a real relief. Now one thing I must point out, a lot of those clients, what they're doing, they're keeping the repayments the same so they can pay off their loan faster. So that's a little tip there as well. So if you've got a mortgage that's coming up for refixing, or you need to have a discussion, make sure you get that advice for you and your circumstances, so you do what's right for you, because what someone else does may not necessarily fit with your plans. In terms of the bank applications, we've had a busy week this week. Just some of the nature of the applications, bank are asking for more information. They're nearly all wanting to see draft 2025 financial statements for those of you that are self-employed or in business. So make sure you get those done pretty smartly if you're looking to buy, because the chances are the banks will want to see them. What else can I give you some tips there? And of course, making sure all your accounts are squeaky clean, little to no short-term debts. If you've got any of that after-pay, buy now later stuff, try and clear those off as well before you're doing your loan application. Had a few clients also get offers accepted on properties this week. So, you know, it feels like an exciting time for us, for first home buyers in particular. Like I say every week, it feels like Wellington's on sale at the moment. They're getting some good offers, they're putting in some good offers and getting them accepted. So that's really good for our first home buyers here in Wellington. And we'll just see what happens with prices. It might take some time for them before prices go up in Wellington. Doesn't matter what happens with the interest rates, until people in this city have certainty with their job security. I don't see prices really taking off for a while. Anyway, if you want to know more, if you've been thinking about getting pre-approved, feel free to give me a call, have a chat. Be more than happy to see what we can do for you and your circumstances. Likewise, if you've got a mortgage coming up for refixing, be really happy to help you as well. Hi Alan, Just Andy, good to see you all. If you're finding these videos useful, do me that favor, press that like button, press that share button, because you help me win on that social media algorithm. Anyway guys, I'm going to sign off. Anything from the team? No, here they are working hard. We've got a full office today. Working hard here, look at them. Working hard. Feel free to get in touch so we can stay busy for you and keep putting out these videos. Ka kite guys, have a good one.